welcome to Curry TV. Today I'd like to share one of our recipes of frying halibut. Halibut is such a delicate fish that it's hard to infuse flavor into it. It's very subtle, very buttery, and it's so easy to break apart. So let me show you a twist to what we usually do at house, and let me show you all the ingredients we'll be using for this recipe. So we need ginger garlic paste. We got 3 portions of steak, halibut steak. We need red chili powder, salt to taste, as well as turmeric powder. And we're going to be using curry leaves as well. So when you fry your halibut, lay a few stems of your curry leaf in the oil so that oil gets infused with the curry leaf. And it's add flavors. It also helps from preventing our halibuts to break away. Apart from that, I'm going to be adding a few of the leaves, cutting it into a chiffon style, into our marinade, and then frying it. So without further ado, let's roll it up like a cigar, right? And chop away. You could use a scissors, you could use a knife. It's totally up to you. I'm just gonna go. And since you're using turmeric, your hands are going to turn yellow. So to avoid that, get yourself a gloves. Add all of our ginger garlic paste to one bowl, as well as our dried ingredients, which is red chili powder, turmeric, and salt. Let's add all of our curry leaves. This is just the marination portion, and we'll be using curry leaves in other ways as well. So we're going to mix it all up and then add a little bit, tiny bit of coconut oil. Okay, not a whole lot. And make sure to cover all sides of that. That's how our fish will look like after you marinate it. Now it's best that it sits in the fridge for at least an hour or so. If you're in a hurry, I will pop this into a freezer at least for 20 to 30 minutes so that flavor get absorbed into the flesh. All right, it's been a few minutes, more than 30 minutes. So we are ready to fry our fish. First off, a nice wide pan, and we're gonna pour our coconut oil just to cover the base of it. I don't want it drenched in the oil, so we're gonna place our curry leaves, which has been washed and ready to go. We're gonna place them right in the middle so that our fish will not break apart. Okay, there we go. At this stage, that oil is going to get infused with our curry leaves, and it's going to be a very nice tasty. So before it gets too fried, right, we don't want that leaves to turn black, but you can see the color change already start to happen. At this stage, it started to splutter, so let's use a spatula ready to go. Place it right in there. Perfect. Let's cover it with a lid and give it about 2 minutes on each sides, and then it should be done. But in the meantime, I'm going to prep my plate so that we can take our fish right into a plate and serve them. This is so easy. When you're handling delicate fish such as halibut, salmon, and whatnot, try this recipe, try this method, and you will have a great success in not breaking this fish apart. So very fragile, right? Oops. Let's give it a good flip. You see that? Beautiful. It smells amazing, you guys. I'm seriously telling you. No joke at all. Okay. When you're placing this fish, when you're flipping it, try to lay it on that curry leaf so that it won't break, right? That's the whole idea. Cover again and cook for another couple more minutes, and it should be done. All right, our fish is done. All right. See how beautiful this is. Wow. And that, my friend, is how you make a very delicious halibut steak Kerala style with that infused curry leaves. So it's so good, very, very mouth-watering. The aroma from that curry leaf, the spices, the marination, it's so good. You gotta try it. And let me know in the feedbacks how it turned out for you. Did this trick work out for you? If you need help finding curry leaves, reach us out. Check out the local Asian stores. They will have big bundle of our curry leaves, and this is one of the way to incorporate curry leaves into your diet. I hope you enjoyed spending time with us, and we'll see you next time on Curry TV. Thank you. Bye-bye.